and you spread the sauce everywhere you can. Okay, go ahead.
Like that?
Yep, try and get the sauce all the way to the edges.
Like that?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
Keep going. You're the chef, you tell me.
Good job,
I think it's
Isabella.
enough, Mom. I think it's enough.
Keep it. Maybe a little bit more.
Is that a little more?
Yeah, maybe let's put.
That's as fast as I can go. I love you.
Oh, I love you.
What are you making, Isabella?
Pizza.
Yummy. Did you make the dough too?
We're making grilled pizza.
Yummy, yummy.
All right. Now here comes the hard part. You gotta be really good at this.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. What you do is you go like this. You just sprinkle it on there, just like that. Yep. Just make sure you hold. Yep. Like just with your fingers, like this. And put it all over the pizza.
Great.
Don't clump it up into one spot. Just go all the way in. All right. Go ahead.
No.
Daddy's gonna leave you alone, chef. Do you want me to put grilled chicken on yours?